Here I'm being rained on. Yeah, you can check it out. It's really raining over here, guys. See? Yeah. So really raining. I'm just on the, yeah, guys. You know what I can say? Yeah. Hello guys, so this is the station here in my place. Yeah. So it is the way it is over here. It's so cloudy. Check it out. Yeah, the other end is raining. Yeah, as you can check over there. Yeah, guys, wow, don't know what. Wow, I don't know if I can run because it's so cloudy everywhere. Yeah, though we thank God that in this side of ours we don't have that. We are not experiencing floods. As you can check it out here. Over here we have just mud, stagnant water, but not that really much that can cause flooding over this region. Yeah, see, it's really cold. I don't have even a sweater with me. It's so cold, but it is what it is, guys. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, freaking cold. Yeah. So as you can check it out over here, the other end. Wow, it's really raining. See that end over there? It's raining heavily. See? Yeah, that is a church. This is a postal card. Yeah, so this I'm just along the road. As you can check it out over here. Yeah, extremely cold. Yeah, people just getting to their destination. They're just trying to get to their respective homes. So yeah, it is what it is, guys. The other side is not that really cloudy, as you can check out, but this end where I'm heading is really cloudy, and people are so much in hurry to get in their respective places. And so there's the van getting to other side over there. Like, yeah, it is a reason. These are true. Yeah, I don't know if this rain gonna get me here. I don't know. I'm going to shield myself. It's really coming. Yeah, for those people who are really affected with the rains, I'm really sorry for you guys. And yeah, it's not for all of us to have to have this merit of being blessed. So you see, so the rains are really coming. Yeah, so over here really extremely cold, guys. I don't know what I can say. Yeah, the woman, no, she's mad or something. These are posts. Yeah, the other end is raining cars and dogs. Yeah, check it out. These for those guys who are just tuning in right now. So this is my hood, or this is my local village here in Kenya. So I'm just walking along the tarmac road from this direction over there. Yeah, guys, it's really cold, man. It's really cold. Yeah, even a really cold sweater with me. It's freaking cold. Yeah, but I'm just trying to vlog no matter what. Yeah, so this is a little ticket over here. Yeah, though it seems it seems that it won't rain on this end. Not really right now. Maybe. Yeah. So yeah, these are kids already from fetching some firewood. Yeah, getting to their respective places right now. Yeah. Oh, they're real freaking cold. There's a sugarcane over there being furrowed. Oh, he's taking this there's sugarcane to another place. I don't know where. So I'm just from the main road over there. So I'm here on the Maram road. That was a tarmac road. Yeah, guys. So check it out. Yeah, after a few minutes we're gonna have a heavy downfall this place. Yeah, so guys,